Hey, let's learn Python. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Demarius Yono. I'm a full-time data analyst and content creator. And welcome to my, let's say this video is all about creating, doing some small projects at beginner's level. So yeah, I think I have one beginner's project that I want to share with you. So the way it works in this video is that I will show you the code from the internet, and then we kind of break down the code line by line, so we understand what is the meaning of this line. And then once we finish discussing all the lines, then we create them together from scratch. Okay. So let me open first the code. All right, let's see. Let's go. So this is one of the project that I want to discuss. It's called this called what is it called? Let's create a quiz game Python. So basically, okay. So now it's time to create a quiz. First, I'll create the questions and the answers verification mechanism. Next, I will add the code that gives the player 3 attempts to answer each questions. Okay. So it's gonna be, let's first start. First is def check guess answer. I think it means I'm gonna create a like a class something def. Here check guess comma answer global, and then we put a global score. So we create a variable score here. Still guessing is a boolean equal to true, and attempt is the number of attempt user can put can still play. And then once we define all of them, we do a while loop while still guessing and attempt less than 3, then execute if guess lower equal to answer lower. Oh, it's a lowercase, so we put all of them lowercase. Then print correct answer score plus 1. Still guessing is equal to false. Then else if guess lower is not equal to answer lower, then we execute this one. If attempt is still less than 2, try again, guess input, and then attempt. Why is it less than 2? It's supposed to be less than 4, because if we want to give them 3 attempts, else if I okay, we still keep doing that. Okay, let's just try. Then score is equal to 0, and then here I think we put question. First print guess the animal, input function, check guess, and then guess 2, input function, guess 3. So we have 3 guesses. Okay, I think print score, string score. Okay, all right, good. All right, let's try. But first, I think instead of putting this section at the end of the code, I want to put it at the beginning of the code. Oh no, it's not gonna work because there's some formula there. Okay, let's see. Let's try. Okay, now I open my Visual Studio. First, let's say def. Check guess. Guess answer. Okay, we have a two variable guess answer colon global score still guessing equal to true, and then attempt is equal to 0. Okay, we have global score still guessing equal to true, and attempt is equal to 0. And then wait, I forgot the back sound. Let's do this. This makes me relax. Yeah, so global score still guessing is equal to true, attempts is equal to 0. Then we do while loop, while still guessing I want to modify a little bit. So still guessing is equal to true, true, true. Okay, wait, is equal to true. True. Okay, wait. Equal to true. And attempt is less than 3. I'll do if yes dot lower yes. Okay. Equal to answer dot lower, then print correct answer, else okay, wait, I need to put score equal to score plus 1, and then still guessing equal to false. Okay, else guess, well, I don't need to give another statement because that's the negation of this statement, so I think it's fine. Else if attempt is less than 2, then guess is equal to input sorry, okay, sorry, wrong answer, try again. Attempt is equal to attempt plus 1 plus 1. Okay, if attempt equal to attempt if attempt is equal to 3, then print the correct answer is comma answer. So what it does, let's say, so we have attempt equal to 0 and maximum 3, right? First, it's gonna do a while loop. If attempt is still with below 3. And then first, check if the guess equal to answer. If yes, score +1. If not, then it will add attempt but not add a score, something like that. Okay, and then okay, that's fine. So we have score is equal to 0, and then print guess the animal, okay, and then guess. I create a variable guess1 is equal to input which bear lives at the north pole. If check guess any guess1, oh yeah, guess1 comma polar bear yeah, also one thing keep in mind, it doesn't matter if you put capital or not capital here, because in the code we will convert that into a lowercase, so I think it doesn't matter. And then yeah, print guess the animal, and then I create guess2 is equal to input which animal which is the fastest animal. This is animal. Check guess 2 comma cheetah. Guess 3, okay, input which is the largest animal. Okay, and then check guess 3 blue whale. Print, then in the end we should print your score is plus 4. Okay, all right, so let's see, we have a def, a global score, still guessing, attempt, and then we do while loop. If it's true, then score +1. If not, attempt +1. Then if attempt is equal to 3, then we'll stop the loop for sure, but it doesn't meet the condition. And still guessing. Oh wait, how do we do that? Okay, yeah, and then we put all this question statement here, and then what this one means, that the input of guess1 will be added in the class here, so to say. So we have guess and answer. Yeah, let's see. Let's try. Let's run this program. Okay, let's say cheetah. Sorry, wrong answer. Try again. Komodo. Try again. Ant. The correct animal, polar bear. Which is the fastest animal? Blue whale. Try again. Cheetah. Correct answer. Which is the largest animal? Elephant. Blue whale. Correct. Your score is true. Okay, I think well, technically the code is correct, but you see, I think I missed some space here. When you say sorry, wrong answer, try again, it doesn't feel right if you do not put any space in between. So yeah, it's just a cosmetic things, but for me it's quite important. Then let's run this one more time. Cheetah. Polar bear. The fastest animal, cheetah. Largest animal, blue whale. All right, correct. Oh, I love it. You know, I mean, like, for you, this is a beginner level. If you're not a beginner level, I think you will find this. Boring. But for me, I think it's good as a beginner to try this. I think this is a good exercise as a beginner level. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So what I want to show you here. This is the way I learn. You know, I mean, like, I know sometimes it's very hard to code like suddenly from your imagination. It's good if you can do that. Yeah, I think it's a high level programming if you can easily translate your mind into a code. But for this beginners project, I think it is quite important to see the code first and then understand what's the meaning of this code, why they wrote it that way, and then after that, the important thing is that we create that again in our style, you know, and then translate our knowledge into the work, do the work. So some people say if you only watching YouTube and without any action, you will get nothing. So yeah, I hope when you see this video, you can start also put in the work. Go to Visual Studio or any Visual Basic platform, Python IDLE, and then write the code. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video helpful, if you find this video helpful, make sure to click like and comment if you have any question, or just say hi. I will really appreciate it. And then if you found something interesting in my channel, I share basically about Python programming. I'm a full-time data analyst and a content creator. If you like my content and want to support my channel, feel free to click subscribe and click the bell icon. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.